Okay, we've got the unboxing of the mythical OnePlus One Android phone. You've seen in the reviews, but nobody knows anyone that owns one. I ordered mine on Friday. It came today on Wednesday. So it does exist. I've got one here. It normally comes with a strip which I pulled, which then opens it into the phone. Nicely, securely packaged. Next, there's a bit of material here which you use to put it out the box. Okay. Next, it looks good. It looks professional. Looks stylish. It then slides out. You're going to slide it out. Okay, that's just the box it slides out of. Which then leaves this. I then open it. And there it is. The OnePlus One. Okay then, it is quite a big phone. It's 5.5 inches, so it's quite a big phone. It comes with a little tab here, which if I peel, use that to lift the phone out. Okay then. As I can see, it is really nice. It feels nice, looks nice. Turn it over. It is the sandstone black, and it feels really comfortable. As you can see, it's Synergen software. But yeah, it is a really nice phone. Been waiting a long time for this, so have many people. Okay, put that to the side. If I then take out, I think there's something underneath. One moment. Okay, we have here, seems to have come out, but it's okay. Is the pin to put your SIM card in, the USB charger, yep, that is actually all that's in here. You don't need no more than that, to tell the truth. As long as you can use this to put your SIM card in, use this to charge, connect it to any charger you got, and the phone, that is all you need. Well, yeah, let's turn it on. Don't know if it's got any power in it. I ain't charged it, but probably turn it on and see what it says. Where's the power button? I think it's here. Okay, here we go. There's a small vibrate as it comes on. See what happens. Let's take the sticker off. It's booting up. Okay, well, we're in England, so English United Kingdom. Next, Google account. I have one. Do you have a Google account? Yes, I do. Alright then, obviously connect to my Wi-Fi called the Big Connect. Excuse me as I enter in my password. Done. Hit connect. Connecting. Cool. Connected. Excellent. Hit next. Sign in my account. One moment again. It's private details here. Okay. Entering in my email address. Next, my password. The screen feels quite like a nice touch to it, kind of a non-slippery touch. Maybe it's the Gorilla Glass, I don't know. Anyway, okay, that signing in. Backup, restore, backup your data to Google account, restore previous backups for this device, location, improve, yeah. Communication, keep me up to date with latest offers on Google Play. Yeah, all the usual stuff. If phone's been connected to Google to restore your account, this may take a while. Okay, I need to put my SIM card in. Okay then, so yeah, I think that is as far as I can go. Actually, let's have a look. I don't actually, it's asking me for Synogen mod account. I don't actually have one, so I'm gonna have to create one. I think I'll leave it here because I think everyone realizes what happens from here onwards. But yes, this is a very, very, very nice phone. It's like it's got a nice soft, but yet smooth, hard finish. It's hard to explain, but it's really comfortable to hold. And I'll say it's around the size of a Samsung Note, but slimmer. As tall, but not as wide. But still, which makes it a bit more comfortable to hold. Yeah, I really do like it. So yeah, this is the unboxing of the OnePlus One Android phone. I don't need to go over the specs, because if you're watching this, you already know the specs. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Get it. I love it. There you go. Take care. Bye.